In light of an amended autopsy revealing Elijah McClain's official cause of death, the forensic pathology consultant who signed off on the report is saying, quote, "I believe that Mr. McClain would most likely be alive but for the administration of ketamine." Now, this comes 3 years after the original report listed his cause of death as undetermined.
Denver 7 investigative reporter Jennifer Kovaleski is taking an in-depth look for us tonight at what this updated report means for the case and what stands out to legal experts.
Well, first of all, this new autopsy will be a critical piece of evidence moving forward. Some of the big changes were with ketamine. The report now says McClain would most likely be alive if he wasn't injected with the sedative. But it also found no evidence the officers who detained him played a role in his death. And legal experts we talked to say the changes could actually help their defense.
In favor, stop right there.
Elijah McClain was just a young man on his way home from a convenience store when someone called 911 saying he looked sketchy and was wearing a ski mask.
Stop. I have a right to stop you because you're being suspicious. Stop. Relax. Stop. I'm going home.
Aurora police officers put him in a carotid hold.
So when the ambulance gets here, we're going to go ahead and give him some ketamine.
Minutes later, paramedics inject him with the powerful sedative ketamine. His death would spark outrage across the country. Those voices would help lead a grand jury to indict 3 Aurora police officers and 2 paramedics. And at the center is now this amended autopsy report. McClain's original autopsy ruled his death undetermined. In the amended autopsy just made public, the coroner changed the cause of death to complications of ketamine administered following forcible restraint. But the pathologist wrote in the new opinion that he has seen no evidence that injuries inflicted by the police contributed to death. And while it now acknowledges paramedics gave McClain too much ketamine for his weight, and he did overdose, the amount was still within therapeutic ranges.
I think that these reports certainly help the police officers, if not exonerate the police officers, but I think they also help the paramedics that are charged in this case. They're not giving him too much, but it was too much for him.
Mitch Morrissey's a veteran prosecutor and a former Denver district attorney.
That's where this kind of changes from something that helped the prosecutor to seriously hurting the prosecutor.
He says the amended autopsy likely helped the prosecution get a grand jury to indict because they only needed to prove probable cause, but believes the new autopsy could become a problem for prosecutors at trial.
I think they're going to have real problems then getting to the beyond a reasonable doubt hurdle, and that's where these documents become a weapon for the defense.
Morrissey says he thinks this will come down to a battle of medical experts at trial. We did reach out to Elijah McClain's mom, Shanine McClain. Her attorney told us they are not commenting. I'm Denver 7 investigative reporter Jennifer Kovaleski.
And you may remember there was controversy around the original report because Aurora police reportedly met with the coroner before it was released. It is important to note for Elijah McClain's autopsy, the coroner who signed off on the cause of death is not a medical doctor. She is an elected official. The person who signed the opinion, otherwise known as the autopsy report, is a forensic pathology consultant. And right now on Denver7.com, you can find an interactive timeline of the Elijah McClain case, as well as other in-depth coverage and breakdowns of what we know.